Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we're taking a look at Amazon FBA. If you're a seller or thinking about selling online, you've probably heard of Amazon FBA or Fulfillment by Amazon. It promises to take the heavy lifting off your shoulders: storage, packaging, shipping, customer service, even returns. Sounds great, right? But FBA isn't perfect. In this review, we'll break down what works well, what to watch out for, and whether it's still worth using in 2025, especially with rising fees, more competition, and stricter requirements. Starting with the key features, Amazon handles warehousing, packing, shipping, and often returns. Sellers can scale more easily without investing in their own warehouse or delivery network. The products fulfilled by Amazon get the Prime badge, meaning faster delivery, which usually takes about 1 to 2 days. That's a huge advantage for customer trust and conversion. Amazon handles customer inquiries, refunds, and returns. That saves time and lets you focus on sourcing, product development, or marketing. And FBA can sometimes fulfill orders from sales channels, not just Amazon. Useful if you sell elsewhere but want to centralize logistics. With Amazon's reach, you can tap into large audiences, domestic and international. More eyeballs is more potential sales. So Amazon tends to favor Prime and FBA fulfilled listings in certain situations, so winning the buy box is the add to cart default is easier with FBA, which boosts visibility and sales. But of course, it has some drawbacks and what to watch out for. FBA has many fees: fulfillment, storage, especially during peak seasons, long-term storage fees, removal fees, prep or labeling fees, etc. For slow movers or low-margin products, these fees can eat up profit. Amazon has detailed rules for how products must be packaged, labeled, and delivered to their warehouses. If you mess this up, this can be extra fees or rejected shipments. Lots of sellers use FBA. Getting noticed often requires good product listings, strong reviews, solid pricing, and marketing. For new sellers especially, rising competition means you may need to spend on ads or promotions to get traction. And if your inventory doesn't sell fast, you might pay long-term storage fees. Also, because you don't see your stock physically every day, it's easier to lose track of what's in your warehouse or what's been returned. And when Amazon handles fulfillment and returns, your ability to customize packaging or connect directly with customers is limited. Branding, unboxing experience, and personalized service suffer. So, is Amazon FBA still worth it in 2025? My opinion, yes, for many sellers, but only with caution and good strategy. If you sell good products that are relatively high, light, move quickly, and have decent profit margins, FBA offers a lot of upside: less operational headache, premium customer trust, faster sales, and good scalability. But if you're just starting out, your items are bulky, slow-moving, or margins are very thin, FBA's fees and constraints can drag you down. So the key to success is product research, cost margin calculations, regular monitoring of inventory and fees, and staying up to date on Amazon's policy changes. And if I were you, I'd start small. Test 1 or 2 products via FBA, track all costs very precisely, get feedback from customers, then scale. And anyways, always compare the numbers. Sometimes doing your own fulfillment or hybrid models may work better depending on your niche. And that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.